Hey guys, Steven here, and this time we'll be taking a look at another unboxing video, which will be the SHAZAM Blu-ray. So yeah, let's get started, shall we? And let's just look at the front cover. And comment below and let me know what you guys think of the movie. I thought the movie was great. I loved it. Awesome movie. But yeah, as you guys can see here, the cover, the slip cover, is a huge improvement over the Aquaman cover that I also did an unboxing video on my YouTube channel. But yeah, I love this holographic, or whatever they call this. I'm sure you guys know the term for this, but yeah, it has like this holographic kind of effect, which shows Asher Angel's Billy Batson and then Zach Levi's SHAZAM, or Captain Marvel, whatever you guys want to call him. But yeah, and then digital copy, and also includes the exclusive motion comic of superhero Hooky. So there's that. SHAZAM right here, and then you also have the SHAZAM logo right here, and you got the back. Back's not too bad. You got the family, SHAZAM family right there. You have Freddy, and then SHAZAM and Billy. And yeah, not a lot to say, about the back. But yeah, it also has, alternate opening endings and deleted scenes, that kind of deal. But yeah, and let's remove the slip cover, and we got this right here. And to let you guys know, this is the standard release for SHAZAM, if I didn't address it earlier. But yeah, it's an alright cover. I actually like the slip cover better, but yeah, this one's alright. Not that amazing, but it does the job. And SHAZAM right here. Back, same thing. Nothing too crazy. But yeah, so let's just get started with the unboxing. So hopefully I'm aiming this, and there you go. And let me just check to see if the code is there, and yep, the code is there. But I'll just show the thing right now. So this is how it looks right here. Or then they have the scan code right there. But yeah. And then you have your movies, the whole Movies Anywhere app or whatever. But that's pretty much it. And then you have the discs, which the discs look cool. At least the DVD one is bland, but the Blu-ray disc looks awesome. I love how it looks. And yeah, other than that, that's pretty much it for the standard Blu-ray unboxing. So yeah, guys, SHAZAM is out today at the time I'm recording this and uploading this. But yeah, so oh well. But that's all there is to it. This is Steven. I'll see you guys next time.